Sometimes we find ourselves unable to take a decision, and it becomes very difficult indeed for us to take a decision. A situation like this one is called analysis paralysis. And what is exactly analysis paralysis? It is overthinking, excessive analysis of a situation or a decision leading to the indecision, and that is called analysis paralysis. Also, inability to act, fear of making the wrong decision, or fear of the uncertainty, that is also called the analysis paralysis. Now, what are the cons? What are the negative impact of the analysis paralysis? Number one, missed opportunities. Delayed decision can lead to the lost opportunities. Number two, increased stress level. Overthinking can cause anxiety and stress as well. Number three, decreased productivity. Spending too much time analyzing can reduce the productivity. Number four, indecision. Analysis paralysis can lead to the indecision and lack of progress as well. So these are the four major cons of analysis paralysis. Now, how to avoid the analysis paralysis? There are certain ways. Number one, set deadline. Establish time limit for making the decision. Number two, gather relevant information, collect necessary data, but avoid over researching. Number three, weigh options, that is, consider pros and cons, but don't over analyze. Number four, trust your instincts, make decisions based on your intuition and based on your experience as well. Number five, take action, start with the small steps and adjust as needed. Now, number six, that is practice decision making. How can we do that? Develop decision making skills through experience. Number seven, seek support. Consult with other people, but don't rely solely on other people's opinion. Number eight, focus on the progress. Prioritize progress over perfection. So these are the 8 ways to avoid the analysis paralysis. Now there are certain additional tips, and these are 3 in number. Number one, recognize when you are overthinking. Number two, use decision making framework, like utilize tools like pros and cons is a tool and that can be used. Our decision tree is also a tool to streamline the process. Now the third additional tip is learn from the mistakes. View mistakes as opportunities for growth and learning. So these are very important tips indeed for the purpose of avoiding the understanding what is the overthink, what is the analysis paralysis. Now number two, we talked about what are the cons of it. Number three, we talked about how to avoid it. Number four, we spoke about what are the additional tips. So